My room's a mess. Shit. Oh my god! So like, if you're gonna look at my room, right? There's no floor. Here we have the nice carpet. I call it cloth. Like, what's actually in the drawer? Like, nothing. So... I haven't cleaned my room since February. And like, at first it was because I was like, oh, woe is me, I just had top surgery. And like, I was like, oh, I don't want to stress myself, so I'm just not gonna clean. It's now April, and it's honestly like, just terrible. It's so bad. And someone's meant to be coming over tomorrow to take my picture for their art project. And I was like, my room's a bit messy, and he was like, oh no, I'm like, it's fine, like I don't mind mess. And I'm like, okay, stop. Okay, just get your act together, mate. There's someone coming round tomorrow. You need to clean up. The time has come. That's the only reason I'm doing this, because it's tomorrow. Just to get a sense of how lazy I've been in the past month. Excuse, I've been doing like jack shit. Like this is what I've been up to.
Watermelon goes good with a lot of different things, but other foods that have a distinctive flavor, pizza and licorice, and lots of green stuff everywhere. Let me give you a tour of an authentic room tour of this shithole. There's a stool in front of my door. Been here for months. Could move it. Would take 2 seconds. No. I've been sliding in and out of this door for no reason. What is your problem, Jake? Oh, it's just such a mess. I can't. Like, what am I gonna do? All of the plates that I just have yet to bring downstairs. We love that. Oh my god, just look at this. That's not right. Jake. Just take them downstairs, it's not even that hard. Oh, I don't even know where to begin. I can't, this is just not a practical way of living. Jake. You need to get your shit together. Here's my art. Do you like how Jesus! I'm gonna go to art school in September. And Jake, Patty, wow. Here's one of my like most recent pieces. And when I say recent, I mean months, because I've been doing nothing for so long now, and I'm sick of it. It's like a little oh. Right now, I'm putting off the actual cleaning. I just want to stay and talk and do this bit. I don't want to actually clean. Okay. Oh, okay. Time to clean. I just wanna. Just want everyone to take it in. Sweet. Dun, da, 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 ba, da. Ah, we are cleaning my room, tidying up, finally. Cleaning my room, yeah, yeah. Look what I found. Oh, yes.
Jake, you're meant to be cleaning your room, not playing with bubble wrap.
I know, just give me a second.
Yeah, but you have shit to do and you've been doing that for 5 minutes.
Alright, okay, fine, I'll go back. I don't want to do it. So it's the day like after I put up some of my artwork. Oh my god. I'm getting way too excited about this. But fuck me. Guys. Oh, stop it. Look. I have not had floor space in 2 months. So I feel like I need to really blue. My room's now tidy, thank god, finally. Cool, thank you for watching. I'm really bad at it. Bye. That was really annoying. Bye.